According to a news release, Estonia Bank said the initiative would gauge the KYC blockchain as suitability, already a core part of Estonia's e-government system's infrastructure, in supporting a central bank digital currency, CBDC. The research would be carried out with assistance from Guardtime, an Estonian company that developed the KYC blockchain, and the SOS Group, London-based business development and investment firm with a focus on innovative technologies. The research will also look at new payment solutions. The research will further look at new payment solutions that might arise from using electronic identity and other Estonian e-government solutions, though it will be technology agnostic in its approach. The Estonian Central Bank said the research is being instigated as user habits are already changing regarding payments and assist research on a possible digital euro announced last week by the European Central Bank. The European country's experience running a digital form of government gives us good grounds for launching a project to explore the technological frontiers of digital money, said Rainer Alt, the head. You can read full post on cryptophans. News, link available in text below.